नमस्ते दोस्तों, इस वीडियो में हम ए से शुरू होने वाले शब्दों का भाग 26 जानेंगे उनके हिंदी अर्थ के साथ। तो चलिए वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। 1. Ambivalent, द्वैधवृत्तिक, having mixed feelings or contradictory ideas about something or someone. 2. Amble, टहलना, to walk at a slow relaxed pace. 3. Amblyopia, मंददृष्टि, lazy eye, reduced vision not corrected by glasses. 4. Amblyopic, मंददृष्टिता, relating to or affected by amblyopia. 5. Ambo, chabootra, a raised platform or pulpit in a church. 6. Ambrosia, amrit, the food of the gods in classical mythology, something very pleasing to taste or smell. 7. Ambrosial, divya, exceptionally pleasing to taste or smell, divine. 8. Ambulance, ambulance, a vehicle equipped for transporting the sick or injured. 9. Ambulant, idhar udhar ghumne wala, able to walk, not bedridden. 10. Ambulatory, chal, relating to walking, capable of walking. 11. Ambuscade, chipkar akraman, an ambush, a surprise attack from a concealed position. 12. Ambush, ghat, a surprise attack by people lying in wait. 13. Aim, AME, abbreviation or specific term context dependent. 14. Amoeba, एक छोटा सा, a single celled organism, also spelled amoeba. 15. Amoebiasis, amoeba rugnata, an infection caused by amoebas, especially in the intestines. 16. Amoeboid, amoebagatids, resembling or characteristic of an amoeba. 17. Amir, Amir, a title for a ruler or nobleman in some Muslim countries. 18. Amelia, Amelia, congenital absence of one or more limbs. 19. Ameliorate, sudharna, to make something better or improve. 20. Amelioration, sudhar, the act of improving or making something better. 21. Ameloblast, dantmajjaprasu, a cell that forms tooth enamel. 22. Amelogenesis, enamel ka banna, the formation of tooth enamel. 23. Amen, tathastu, a word used at the end of prayers, meaning so be it. 24. Amen-Ra, Amin, Ra, an ancient Egyptian god, combination of Amun and Ra. 25. Amenability, Jimma, the quality of being cooperative or willing to comply. 26. Amenable, Uttardai, willing to comply or agree, responsible. 27. Amend, Sanshodhan karna, to make minor improvements or corrections. 28. Amendable, Sanshodhaniye, capable of being amended or corrected. 29. Amendatory, Agreshit, serving to amend or make changes. These, amended, Sanshodhan, modified or improved. 31. Amendment, Sanshodhan, a minor change or addition to improve a text or law. 32. Amends, Harjana, compensation or reparation for a wrong or injury. 33. Amenity, Suvidha, a desirable or useful feature of a place or thing. 34. Amenorrhea, Rajorodh, absence of menstruation. 35. Amenorrhea, Anartho, relating to or suffering from amenorrhea. 36. Amentia, Mandabuddhi, mental deficiency, intellectual disability. 37. Amerce, Jurmana karna, to punish with a fine. 38. Amercement, Arthadand, a financial penalty or fine. 39. Amerciable, Dandaniya, liable to be fined or punished. 40. America, America, United States of America or the continents of North South America. 41. American, American, relating to the United States or the Americas. 42. Americana, Americana, materials related to American culture or history. 43. Americanism, America Parasti, a word or custom distinctive to American English. 44. Americanization, Amerikikaran, the influence of American culture on other countries. 45. Americanize, Ameriki banana, to make or become American in character. 46. Americium, radioactive tattva, a radioactive chemical element. 47. Amerindian, Amerindian, relating to the indigenous peoples of the Americas. 48. Amethyst, Billor, a purple gemstone. 49. Amethystine, Neelami, resembling or containing amethyst. 50. Ametria, Sahaj agarbhashayata, congenital absence of the uterus. 51. Ametropic, Apsamanya drishtik, relating to ametropia, an eye refractive error. 52. Amhara, Amhara, an ethnic group in Ethiopia. 53. Amiability, Sushilata, friendliness, pleasantness. 54. Amiable, Sushil, friendly and pleasant. 55. Amicability, Dostani wala, a state of being friendly and agreeable. 56. Amicable, Sahaardpurn, characterized by friendliness and absence of discord.